Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9707. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has double that number, but it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. I cannot see any single boxes here. How about dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me check for here we have a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the 1 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. All right. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next, here we have also a quadra box. The 1 and the 3 is already given. So the other 2 numbers should be 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. The L shape upside down. And we see the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 1. Then this box can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me see. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So one box left of the 3 in this W area shape supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left of the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Now we have a double 2 here. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If it places a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left a 2 is supposed to be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. One box left in this triple box for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. One box left in this quadra box for number 4. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1, so one box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. Let me see. Well. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, this one. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. And that means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. But also these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. Is also connected with this box, should be so 4 and 5. Then, yeah, let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. So 1 digit left for the 3 in this W area shape is supposed to be there then. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. Well, this box can be 5. That box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the hard part. This box can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. Come on, come on. 3. Need a 3, 4, 1, 4, 4, 5, 2, 3, and no 1. Well, can it be 1 here? 1 should be here. Ooh, 1, 4, 5, 3 or 2 here. Well. I need to think. This is the hard part. 1, 3. Yeah. Overlooked something. 1, 2, 3. Could be a 5 here also. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. 1, 2, 3. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or 5. Okay. Come on. 4, 3. 1 or 2. This box can be 4, 3, or 5, so 1 or 2. Need a 4 and a 5, 2 here. 2, 4, 2, 4. Come on. This box can be 1, can be 5, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, 2 and a 4. And we have a pair. This box 2 or 4. Can be 2, 4, can be a 3. So 2 numbers left, a 1 or a 5 here. Well, it's not helping me here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here then. Alright, 2 and a 4, we have 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, so 1, 5 and the 4, we need a 4 here. This box can be 4 because we have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Come on. 3. Well, need a 5 here. This one is hard part. 2, I need a 4 here. 1, 3. This box can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 4, 5, and I need a 3 here. I need a 1 here. I need a 1 here. One of these 3 boxes. There's a 1 here. 3. Can it be 1? 3. I need a 3 here. This box can be 1, can be 2. 2. I'm stuck here. I'm really stuck. Oh, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2, 3, 4. So 1 and a 5. Okay. 2, 3. This could be also a 1. 2, 3, 5. So 1 or a 4 here. And here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 1. Well, 1, 4. Come on. This can be 1. Suppose 5. This is a 5. That box should be a 5. Supposed to be 4. Well, we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then, of course. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. So the 4 and the 1 are left here. 4 and the 1. These two boxes can be 5, that box can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Need a 1, need a 4. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 and the 1. So this box should be a 3 then. Okay, now this box can be 3, that box can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. One box left in this area for number 4. 4 and a 1, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left, a 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the other 1. So the 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated the other 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. 1 box left, no, 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. Is also connected with this box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. These two boxes can be a 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. Then mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Mark those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Wow, hard one. Wow. Not a 4, not a 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. But we solved it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.